Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets, numbers and shapes. Black color, green color, yellow color, brown color, red color, blue color. So kids, now we draw capital letter alphabets and coloring. First we draw the letter of A. Now we use black color. Now we draw A. A for apple. The next one is B. Now we use black color. B for ball. Now we draw B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. Now we use blue color. Now we use blue color and draw C. C for cat, C for cow. The next one is D. D for doll, D for dog. Kids, the next one is E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Now we draw numbers. Green color. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E. 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O. 2. Now we draw 3. The number of 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. The next one is 4. And now we use yellow color. Now we draw 4. The next one is 5. We again use yellow color. Now we draw 2D shapes. Brown color. And first we draw square. The shape of square. The next one is circle, and now we use red color. Now we draw circle. The shape of circle. Kids, now we draw circle, and the next one is triangle. Black color. Now we use black color. The shape of triangle. The next one is heart. Now we use green color. The shape of heart. Kids, now we draw the shape of heart. And the next one is star. Now we use blue color. Now we use blue color. The shape of star. So kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.